Hey guys, so if you like keeping flushable wipes on hand, these bamboo ones from EcoSoul are a great option to have in the bathroom. These are the EcoSoul Bamboo Flushable Adult Wipes, and what caught my attention is that they're made with bamboo instead of traditional materials. The wipes feel soft and have a nice thickness to them, so they don't feel flimsy when you're using them. They're actually made with 99% purified water and have a simple, unscented formula, which I personally like for an everyday bathroom essential. See, 99% purified water. This pack actually comes with 4 packs of 48 wipes, so you get 192 wipes total, which makes it easy to keep a pack in the bathroom while also having extra stored away. I also like that they're designed to be biodegradable and septic safe, which is something I always look for when choosing flushable wipes. The packaging is compact, the wipes are easy to grab when you need them, and I like that it's a more sustainable option compared to some traditional wipes. If you're someone who keeps flushable wipes stocked at home, I would say that these EcoSoul bamboo wipes are definitely a nice one to try.